Hi there. Ever wondered how characters like me talk so smoothly? It looks complicated, but trust me, it's easier than you think. Today, I'll show you 2 free ways to create talking animations in Canva. Let's dive in.
Alright, first open Canva. Click on Video and select the canvas size you want to work with. Now, let's look at the simplest and fastest method. Go to Elements and search for Talking Avatar. After that, open the graphics, and then apply the animation filter. This will show you only the animated characters. Now scroll through, choose the style you like. For example, I'll pick this one. Now that we have the character, next, we need a voice for it. For that, we'll use 11 Labs, which is honestly one of the best tools for voiceovers. After creating your free account, you'll get 5,000 free credits, which is more than enough for your first video. Just paste the text you want the character to speak. Then on the right side, you'll see different voices. Listen to them and choose the one that matches your avatar's style.
Life isn't about finding yourself. Life is about creating yourself.
Nature is a mutable cloud which is always and never the same.
For example, if you're using a girl avatar, select a girl voice. Click Generate Speech.
Hey everyone, I'm here to show you a super easy way to make your
Download the audio. Upload it back into Canva. Adjust the timing if needed. And just like that, you have your talking avatar ready.
Hey everyone, I'm here to show you a super easy way to make your animations talk in Canva.
Now let's move to the second method, which is also free, but gives you much more control and a more realistic result. Go to Google and search Adobe Character Animator free. Open the first link. And if it's your first time, you'll need to create an account. Once you're in, you'll see this interface with different characters to choose from. You can also filter them by categories. Let's pick this sticky character, which you may have seen in many videos. It's pretty popular right now. After choosing your character, go to the background section where you can select different styles. I usually pick a solid color background so I can match it perfectly later inside Canva, which I'll show you in a second. Next, you can either record your voice directly inside Adobe or upload a voice. Let's create a voice again using 11 Labs. Choose the voice you want.
I think this is a really nice way to just talk naturally to.
It is a season to reach out with kindness and love to those in distress and to those who are wandering in dark.
I think this is a really nice way.
Click Generate Speech
Hey everyone, I'm here to show you a super.
and download it. Go back to Adobe Character Animator and upload the audio. It will process for a few seconds, and then it will automatically generate a talking animation for you.
Hey everyone, I'm here to show you a super easy way to make your animations talk in Canva.
Once it's done, download the video. Now return to Canva. Delete the previous clips from your timeline. Upload the character video. And resize it to fit your canvas. To match the background color, add a blank layer. Then, drag your character's video above the background layer in the timeline and apply the same solid color you selected in Adobe. And that's your final result.
Hey everyone, I'm here to show you a super easy way to make your animations talk in Canva.
And that's how you can create a talking avatar for free using 2 different methods. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Now, if you want to learn how to create complete stick figure videos that you can upload on YouTube and actually monetize, then watch the next video. I'll see you there.